Akoko, when we had the issue of electricity, it was only this man that contributed vehemently to the success of our electricity in Akoko. And then we had the issue of security. He was only one that gave all the police stations security.
We all love and is loved all over the world.
wọ́n jọ̀wọ́ kí wọ́n gbé òkú olóògbé yìí wá sí Arigidi láti wá sí ohun tí gbogbo ọ̀dọ́ Àkókò ohun tí à ń bèrè fún yẹn ẹnikẹ́ni tí ó bá gbọ́.
Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again. It's your girl AB World Entertainment. Now, welcome back again, my country people. A lot of things they happen for inside Ondo State Akoko, where late Prophet TB Joshua for come. My people, this news where I want to give you now, so now Bonga news all the way from Akoko for inside Ondo State, Nigeria. Late Prophet TB Joshua family cry come outside say in spirit no dey let them sleep oh. Say e dey appear to them 247. Say everybody wey e dey inside their village, say all of them dey see this man 247. My people, I never hear that kind thing before. This matter e shock me. They say anywhere they go, his spirit go dey appear. Anywhere they go, this man go just dey appear to them. For the love wey im get for his village, e be like person wey e never reach his time wey e wan take go, wey dem just quickly delete. Na so this kind thing just dey appear to all the people wey dey inside their village. Na dem come do peaceful protest, come say dem must know wetin dey happen, why their brother spirit no let them rest, why e no let them sleep. So na so they take do the matter, my country people. When I see this one, I say, wetin dey happen? Not be person be by late Prophet TB Joshua. According to different rumors, some say dey fine for 2 days. Some say the enemy get stroke. Why some say after he preach, angel appear to am, tell am, so yeah, let's go home. So why he can't go dey disturb the people for Akoko village for inside Ondo State? So even for some people wey still dey go farm sef, all those ones don't still confirm and say the man dey appear to them 247. Una see the crowd na inside Akoko village. All the youth come do peaceful protest. Say this man wey die, wey I dey call this man late Prophet TB Joshua, must be returned home to come out. That they must bring am come house, come bury am for house. Say their brother no fit pass that side because e dey disturb them. His spirit dey disturb them. Meaning e be like say their brother spirit never rest ever since then. So now make the spirit go dey appear to them. You understand? So you now know say Oba of Akoko for where late Prophet TB Joshua for come first talk and say may his brother wife Reverend Mrs. Evelyn Temitope Balogun, make he bring their brother come house, come bury am. Say they no agree make them bury am for Lagos. He say they no dey agree at all. So now for their village na dem want. And una know say late Papa TB Joshua na popular man and na one great man of God wey everybody know for gbogbo agbaye, for the whole world. So now make them be one bury am put for Lagos, so that if all those Oyibo people go dey come, they go dey sneer, maybe they fit use the gravesite they do like museum. You understand? But if family say no, say their brother they need them for their village. You understand? So it be like say mama no one carry the body come their village come bury. You understand? Una know something where I can still they observe say na family na he get person wey in die. But if na Bodo Ibo, they go say na the wife na go talk how they want to bury her. But for Nigeria, na the family na get their brother. You understand? So now you go talk about how they want to do their brother and everything. So the matter will come the grand now. The youth come gather together, come say no. Because since their brother don't they appear to them, they disturb them. That's if they go farm, you go appear to them. Some go run, go back for farm. Some go run, go back from river. That the man just they appear for different way where they did for the village, because the villagers say the man too dey good to them. So meaning why their brother come dey appear to them, meaning say their brother want make e come this, say their brother want make e come back to this village, this Akoko village. So he want make him soul rest for them. So but all the kinsmen wey e dey the village, and not be only the kinsmen alone, everybody for the village dey protest say make the man, that is make them bring their brother come house. Not be only the family, the villagers now they come dey do the protest now, go reach people wey still dey obodo oyibo, the village of that Akoko for inside Ondo. All of them dey do protest. They don't, people wey dey obodo oyibo don even support the one wey dey Africa, say make them make sure say let Prophet TB Joshua make them bury and put for Akoko, so that it go be a memorial something, you understand. But according to the reliable source and the news wey we dey hear, they say Reverend Evelyn Temitope Balogun no wan bring the dead body come their village. He want make him bury am. Say make them bury am put for Lagos, in case of all those people where they come as tourists, maybe they want just come look the gravesite, just like that Genevieve wey dey Zimbabwe. Okay, that rich guy. So now so they be want to do one. But now the family they talk say no, the villager they talk say no, say their brother too good. Say all the suffer where they suffer for inside that Akoko road though, wey even make henchmen not even take by them for that village. And henchmen get power reach for inside Nigeria. He say now let Prophet TB Joshua na he do one. My people, I can't say so that they love people like this. Now other people see they carry rumor, they talk say let Prophet TB Joshua say he no good, say na devil. See the way love where if family take they do protest, not be only family, villagers take run come outside come they do protest, say their brother must be brought home. Hey, with this one, you now tell no say this man a real man of God. He really shows say na real man of God. Which day we see here say pikin still put to bed. The same day where this man see they do birthday night. Now this one I'll tell no say God really caught the Prophet TB Joshua, because many pastors don't come outside come attack the rest pastors where they attack the Prophet TB Joshua, say the man are fake. For here, I never see any pastor where he delete or their wife delete, where the villager will come, they do protest, say their brother or their sister must be brought home. You understand? I never seen them. Even some governors self, they go even delete for that Nigeria. Hey, nobody will even like to go to bed or even like to see the poster for war. You understand? Even this our boo boo. If even goodbye, I'm not sure say Nigeria they go now watch they will be that day. For them to do this kind of thing, una go know say the love wey let Prophet TB Joshua show e people for that village is too strong. It's too strong, my people. I shock when I see this news. I say, So I wanna see the matter, my country people. I will put the video, because video they attached to this talk when I talk. So make una know say not be just normal talk like that. And I will hear from the horses man, the village. I will explain to una say see what happen, why they protest, or why they want their brother called back to their village. You understand? They don't want me their brother just pass Lagos comot. Lagos no be their city, na Akoko for inside Ondo state. Night them for come. So they want me their brother body that is made they bury their brother for them, so that they go they see their brother. They no go feel they enter motor, they go Lagos for whether na Egbeda be na Ekbe na forget church. You understand? So my own contribution, as me take see me, I will support say may they carry the man go in village. You understand? As the villagers don't they ask now say they need their brother. So now the voice of the masses now powerful pass. So I will advise our mama say me agree to them, because even the king don't even talk say he don't know whether his brother wife will agree to that one, but he would like to talk to his brother wife. The man is saying a pastor, but he would like to talk to them, but they need their brother back home. So my people, I wanna see the matter. Make we discuss. I wanna see the matter whether e good make they carry late Prophet TB Joshua go Akoko go bury, or make they put am for Lagos for there. Make una still live in a whole opinion. Make una still help me share this video so that other people will still get their own opinion. There's only one. They say only one tree, not they make forest. You understand? Just to talk about, and even though say you be Akoko, you know from Akoko, you from Mondo, you know from Mondo. Late Prophet TB Joshua na our papa na for everybody. So just still voice your own put. You understand? So they say the majority win the vote. So it's like we are going to vote now, you understand? Not be saying na there for common, but I just love the man of God for his charity work, you understand, what they do. I never see any other man of God will be like her, you understand? So now make this matter touch me. When I see say if family come outside, oh my God, I shock. I say, Jesus, he love. Now this kind of love, now Papa God say, maybe they show each other. So may all the other pastors, may they learn from this kind of love with late Prophet TB Joshua show a family, people, a village. Una go here where Prophet TB Joshua even do like put for the village. This village owner, they look, say, the houses where they the village, say they not fine. They get electricity. Una understand, my people? So now say, now late Prophet TB Joshua, they do. And even when the police were government, Ijoba put for there, they not get security, they not get gun, they not get anything. Even go reach no cat. Now let Prophet TB Joshua and I still buy them for them. I go put the video, make I let una hear from the horse's mouth. I beg, if you are just watching for the very first time, please watch, subscribe, and on your notification and bell. To my new subscriber, you are welcome, and to my returnees, may God bless you all. I remain your humble sister, AB World Entertainment. See you in my next video. Bye, everyone. Love you. Please help me to share this video so that everybody can see it and they can give their own contribution on where to bury late Prophet TB Joshua, whether in Akoko, in Ondo State, or in Lagos. You understand? So love you all. Bye.
This procession was organized among the passage of the founder of Synagogue Church of All Nations, Prophet Temitope Joshua, by youth in Arigidi Akoko and its environs. They walked around the town to honor a man who they described as a special giver with a grace and compassion for assisting the downtrodden. Many of them eulogized the deceased for his contribution to the development of humanity. All shops and markets were closed in honor of the departed prophet.
In Akoko, when we had the issue of electricity, it was only this man that contributed vehemently to the success of our electricity in Akoko. And then we had the issue of security. He was only one that gave all the police stations security.
We all love, and is loved all over the world. Not only in Nigeria, not only in Akoko where he was born, not only in Ondo State, but all over the world. As we speak now, almost all over the world are mourning the death of Prophet TB Joshua.
Prophet TB Joshua has been a great man. He has impacted the life of people positively. When you're talking about the youth, when you talk about the whole Akoko, when you talk about Ondo State and the world at large.
The procession, which lasted for 3 hours, gave the youth opportunity to demand for his body to be buried in his hometown. The youth said burying him in his hometown remains the people's choice.
And we are repeating it again, that we are telling the whole community and the whole world that we, Akoko youth, and on behalf of the billions of Akoko youth in both in Nigeria and diaspora, we are saying we want the corpse of our father to be buried in Akoko. This is his hometown, therefore his corpse must be buried in Akoko and not anywhere.
Wọ́n jọ̀wọ́ kí wọ́n gbé òkú olóògbé yìí wá sí Arigidi láti wá sí ohun tí gbogbo ọ̀dọ́ Àkókò ohun tí à ń bèrè fún yẹn. Ẹnikẹ́ni tí ó bá gbọ́ news a rí pé gbogbo àwọn lọ́balọ́ba Àkókò wọ́n jókòó wọ́n ṣe ìpàdé ibi tí wọ́n fẹnu kò sí ni wípé ọ̀fọ̀ yìí ti ṣe Àkókò ṣùgbọ́n ó fẹ́ kó ṣe wá àtàwọn àti ẹnu wa.
The work later terminated at the palace of the Saki of Arigidi Akoko, Obayisa Olanipekun, where they sympathized with the monarch. Ayodeji Moradeyo is Arigidi Akoko.
My people, now so we see this matter now. So now